there's a quick tutorial on HTML forms. So first you start with a form tag, and then we should end it. So that's how you do the most basic of form tags you can do, really, just that. And here, this is where we start adding the things you would see on the web page. So to give it a bit of formatting, we're going to make it look a little bit nice, so break lines and all that. So this is where you add your input. So, and this is where you add the type, so this one would just be text. And a name, which is basically something you can use to connect with when it comes to other things, CSS, JavaScript and all that kind of thing, PHP. So that's a bit more down the line, but you know, it's good to know that stuff. So anyway, add another break line. And just make it look like more of a complete form, we'll add a last name as well. Also good practice just to keep doing it. And the same thing again, another input type. And the name again. This time just last name. End it. And then we'll just add some more break lines because we're going to add some different style forms. Now we're going to do like a radio, kind of like a things you click on websites like a circle and stuff. Like that's what a radio button is. So we can put input type and just add radio and name similar to the ones above, just to give it some thing. And then we're going to add a value of submit. And then we're just going to put one here, like male. And you can make another one for female and so forth and so on. So again, some more break lines. Break lines are just like one of those things you use very often. And this one we're going to do like a drop down kind of box. Well, options, not boxes, but options. So you just put like the keyword select and then the name. I'm just going to do one for cities. And this is where you just add your options in. And then value. And this is where you just put the value. And this is where you actually put the thing which you'll see on the web page. And remember to put the / to enter tag. I'm just going to copy paste this, make it look like more of a list you can select from. And all you got to do now is, as you do with most tags, just end it. And as you guess again, some more break lines. And the last one we can do for forms, there are more, but I want to keep it kind of condensed and just a quick guide. It's text area. Whoops, made a mistake. Name. Just put anything for these names. You can put anything names, kind of thing, because it's just its own little personal identifier. And this is where we can add some formatting style. So row 10, cols 30, so basically columns, rows. And this one we end it again. Remember the /. And now, if we save it all, we should have a nice format-ish form list going on. So there, yeah, first name, you can just slap that in. Last name, the radio button, the drop down list, and the text area. So yeah, this is just a basic guide. It's not so basic, but it's mostly encompassing the forms of what you can do in HTML. So yeah, thank you for watching and goodbye.